Oh, your focus is your superpower, and the world is trying to steal it. Every ping, notification, and scroll is designed to hijack your brain. Today's world isn't just fast, it's noisy. We live in the age of distraction where endless apps and updates compete for one thing: your attention. And the truth is, most people are losing this battle. We wake up reaching for our phones, scroll through other people's lives, and then wonder why we can't focus on our own. But here's the hard truth. If you can't control your focus, you can't control your future. The people who win in life aren't the smartest or richest. They're the ones who can stay locked in when everyone else is distracted. Think about it. While others are scrolling, Elon Musk is building rockets. While people binge-watch shows, others are binge-building their dreams. Focus is the real currency of success. Every second you waste on distractions is a withdrawal from your potential. So if you feel overwhelmed or unfocused, you're not broken. You're surrounded by systems designed to keep you addicted. But today, we're going to flip the script. You'll learn how to retrain your mind, take back your attention, and unlock the power of deep focus in a distracted world. Let's be honest, we're all addicted, but not to drugs or alcohol. We're addicted to dopamine. Every notification, every like, every video swipe gives your brain a tiny hit of pleasure. Over time, your brain becomes wired for instant gratification. Studies show that the average person checks their phone over 150 times a day, and each time your focus fractures. You train your brain to crave novelty, not depth. That's why reading a book or finishing a task feels harder than ever. Here's the catch. Your brain is programmable. Just like an algorithm learns your habits, your brain does too. The more you feed it distractions, the more it demands them. But when you train it for focus, it becomes a weapon. Think of monks, athletes, and CEOs who operate in chaos but stay calm and productive. They're not born with special brains. They've trained them. They've learned to delay gratification, control dopamine, and live intentionally. Distraction is a muscle. So is focus. The one you train daily is the one that wins. If you want to reclaim your power, you must stop being a consumer of noise and become a creator of results. Because in this world, the ability to focus is not just an advantage, it's a superpower. Focus isn't luck, it's chemistry. When your brain locks onto one task, it enters a state called flow. Time slows down, distractions fade, and your performance skyrockets. Athletes call it being in the zone. Entrepreneurs call it deep work. Flow happens when you balance challenge and skill. Too easy and your mind wanders. Too hard and you get anxious. But right in the middle, that's where magic happens. The problem is our world keeps breaking that balance. Constant alerts and multitasking reset your brain's rhythm. Each distraction costs up to 23 minutes of recovery time. That's why your to-do list never ends. You're working distracted, but you can rebuild flow. It starts with focus rituals, turning off notifications, setting time blocks, and doing one thing at a time. Your brain thrives on structure. Even legends like Kobe Bryant, Steve Jobs, and Bill Gates mastered this. They built environments where focus was sacred. Gates used think weeks, 7 days of isolation to read and reflect. Remember, focus isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most, deeply and without interruption. If you want to achieve greatness, you must reprogram your brain to crave depth, not distraction. Here's how. Step 1. Digital detox. Start by controlling your inputs. Delete apps that drain your time. Turn off non-essential notifications. Make your phone boring again. Step 2. Set focus blocks. Dedicate 60-90 minutes to one task with no interruptions. This rewires your brain to sustain attention longer. Step 3. Reward focus, not multitasking. Dopamine drives motivation. Instead of rewarding yourself for quick wins, reward yourself for finishing deep, meaningful work. Step 4. Use triggers. A specific playlist, a certain workspace, or even a candle scent can cue your brain into focus mode. And finally, Step 5. Guard your mornings. The first hour after waking sets the tone for your brain. Don't start with chaos. Start with clarity. You're not fighting your phone. You're fighting your programming. But once you take back control, your productivity, creativity, and confidence will explode. Bill Gates is known for his Think Weeks. Twice a year, he isolates himself to read, reflect, and think deeply about the future. That's how Microsoft's biggest innovations were born. Serena Williams visualizes each match with laser focus before stepping on the court. When she plays, distractions disappear. Elon Musk focuses for hours on a single engineering problem. Steve Jobs said, "Focus is about saying no." Ordinary people do this too. A writer wakes up at 5 a.m., writes one page every morning, and finishes a book in a year. A student turns off social media, studies an hour a day, and graduates top of their class. Focus isn't magic, it's discipline, and discipline compounds. Every time you resist distraction, you strengthen your willpower muscle. You don't need 1,000,000 hours, you need focused hours. Remember, it's not the amount of time you have, but how you use it. One focused hour beats 10 distracted ones. Your heroes aren't superhuman. They're simply focused longer than everyone else. Your biggest enemies aren't social media or smartphones. They're internal. Boredom, fear, and lack of clarity. When you don't know your purpose, every distraction feels urgent. That's why you need clear goals. Clarity kills chaos. Boredom is another trap. We've trained ourselves to fear silence, but boredom is where creativity lives. Let your mind wander. It's how breakthroughs happen. Finally, fear. Fear of missing out, fear of failure, fear of slowing down. You must remember, no one builds greatness while chasing noise. To defeat these enemies, write your goals daily, keep a distraction list. When thoughts pop up, jot them down and return later. Protect your environment like a temple, because in a distracted world, focus is rebellion. And the rebels, the ones who learn to control their minds, are the ones who build empires. Focus isn't just for work. It's a lifestyle. You can't expect laser focus if your diet, sleep, and environment are chaos. Start with your health. Eat clean. Move your body. Sleep deeply. A tired brain can't focus. Then build systems. Wake up at the same time. Set intentional breaks. Simplify your space. Surround yourself with focus-minded people. Energy is contagious. Sit around distracted people, and you'll adopt their habits. But around disciplined minds, your standards rise. Use the 3 F's: focus, filter, flow. Focus on one thing. Filter out the noise, flow with purpose. And remember, focus doesn't mean working non-stop. It means working smart, then resting deeply. Balance fuels longevity. You can't pour from an empty cup. Your ability to focus is the foundation for everything. Your career, relationships, peace, and growth? Protect it like your most valuable asset. Because it is. Let's end with truth. Your focus determines your destiny. In this world of endless noise, the person who can control their attention controls their life. When you train your brain to focus, you unlock freedom. Freedom from addiction, from comparison, from chaos. You start creating instead of consuming. So stop scattering your power across screens. Take back control. Choose depth over distraction, clarity over chaos, creation over consumption. Every great achievement started with focus. One mind, one goal, one mission. You don't need more time. You need more focus. The world rewards those who can stay locked in when everyone else is lost in noise. So train your brain. Protect your focus. And remember, Your future depends on what you give your attention to today. Because the most powerful minds in history weren't distracted, they were focused